near my quarters there is a bamboo grove, the healing bamboo grove, which literally I materialized. There are only 2-3 dead sticks, root was there when we came to this land. So the Dhruva grass which I got from one Sadasiva Brahmin, one enlightened master Samadhi from Tamil Nadu. See how I started healing, There was a enlightened master Samadhi in Tamil Nadu called Nerur. He is Sadasiva Brahmendra. He is one of the greatest healer. And he used to always live naked. He belongs to Aghori Sampradaya, naked. And when he was walking one day naked, this Mughal king, that guy saw, how dare this fellow will come naked in front of me, and he cut the hand with his sword. That master did not even bother. The hand fell and he just walked, did not even turn and look. Then this emperor got shocked and he understood. He played some extraordinary person. He ran and fell at the feet of the master and apologized. Please forgive me. Then the master looked, oh, you cut the hand, all right, get that back. And the king brought it back and he just put it and it became all right. He's that great healer. He's one of the greatest healer, Aghori healer. So I went to his Samadhi for darshan once. After my realizing my avataric mission and everything, in 2001, I went to his Samadhi. One of my college teacher has come to have my darshan. She is my pre-monastic relative also. She is my relative and my college principal where I studied. I studied very little, but she is a principal. And she was there with me. She and her husband, both of them were there with me. And when I was sitting there, she went on asking me, Swamiji, you heal everybody. How did you learn this energy? Teach me, initiate me. And I told her, just keep quiet, because I saw his darshan. He was standing in front of me. I am in ecstasy. But this woman nagging, and you know how women nag. And nagging me, initiate me. I just said, why don't you keep quiet? I am seeing him, keep quiet. Then she just kept quiet and I looked at him. Then I just made fun. See, you don't have a body, you don't have anybody to nag you. See, I am having body, these guys are nagging me, you see. She's telling me to initiate her in healing. What can I do? Then he just laughed. And he gave me Dhruva grass and said, give this grass to her and tell her to touch this grass. She will be able to heal. When I touched the Dhruva grass and took it, suddenly I saw that formula to initiate people into healing landed on me. The Dhruva grass from etheric plane came to physical plane, and the technology was just transmitted from him to me. He just transmitted the technology of initiating healers. Just I saw simply the technology to initiate into Anandagandha landed. Then I took one part of the Dhruva and gave her. And literally the Dhruva became physical. His darshan was etheric. She was not able to see him. Only I was able to see. But the Dhruva grass became physical. When I opened the eyes, I saw Dhruva grass. I gave one small bit to her and told, you heal people with this Dhruva. And immediately I saw her Anandagandha got awakened. She got healing initiation. This is the way I started giving the initiation, healing initiation. Then her husband had knee pain. She touched just to test. In few minutes it went away. He had knee pain for 10 years. And it just disappeared in 2-3 minutes. And never came back again. Then the remaining Dhruva, I brought it with me. I was staying at the time in Tamil Nadu. I kept it safely. So that time, anybody who had healing initiation, I'll give that piece only small bit. So when I came to this land, this bamboo grove, only 2-3 roots were there. 2 or 3, and the whole thing was dead. This land people who donated this land to us, that owners, now donors, they took me around this land and they said, Swamiji, this is the 2-3 bamboos and it is dead, we will remove these roots. I said, no, don't do that. I touched with the Dhruva, that bamboo, and dropped the Dhruva there. Within 1 month, the whole thing came up. Just the whole thing came up. The whole bamboo grove, which you see, came up in 1 month. And still I do not know the mystery. Still I do not know the mystery. That's all. Get ready to have fun. Thank you.